all doing today? I'm Isaac Travis. You're watching IT Creations. So today we're gonna keep working on getting our truck out. We're gonna pull our trailer out of the way. We got it hooked up to my Land Rover. And then we're gonna get that tree all cut up and everything moved out of the way, like I said in the last video. And we're still gonna go with that idea to pull the back of the truck that way and drive it down the hill. So let's get to it.
That's good.
Alright. Okay everybody, we got the trailer moved out of the way. We have a little change of plans. In the last video we asked for help, and we are going to have a big truck come out here with a winch and try to pull our truck out. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna go with our original idea and cut up the tree and get everything out of the way and try to drive it down the hill. So he should be here any minute, and I'll show you that when he gets here, and hopefully he gets here. So let's get to it. guys. Look at that. Look at that hole. Where'd the truck go? Oh, there it is. We got it out.
All right, we're out finally. That tow truck driver was a nice guy and he did a great job. So he took the time and got it out for us.
You really did.
Yay. Now we get to fix whatever's leaking, but we got it out.
Very good.
Awesome.